My name is Ummukhulthum Basha. I'm from Nigeria. I'm here in Delhi for a medical follow-up. I was operated 7 years ago in November 2011 by Dr. Bhushan Nariani. I had a hip replacement. I had a sickness called pyomyositis in Nigeria, so they did some surgery for me, but the pus went and destroyed my femoral head with the acetabulum. So I was experiencing pains. I had a shortage of my leg, so I had it like very difficult to walk. So, but after the surgery, I'm now able to walk. I can drive. I can do everything that I want to do, and I'm very, very much happy because this is like a life-changing to me. It was a very, very bad experience for me in the past, and the surgery has been for like 7 years now, no issues. I'm only here for a follow-up to check to see if everything is fine, but I'm not experiencing any pain. So I want to say a very big thank you to Dr. Bhushan. You have done a really wonderful job, and you're my hero because right now I am very, very much happy. Thank you.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.